That's okay.
Okay, so let's see what we need. All right, we need butter, sugar, vanilla, and flour and salt. Okay, so Daddy, I think Daddy needs to move you for a second. Hold on.
Hold on to the bar.
Hold on to the bar. Be safe. Oh, there it is. There it is. I got it. I got it. All right, sugar.
This is big. Whoa, a package.
Okay, it says in a bowl,
How
you
was
want to
that?
combine the
That's mine.
softened butter and sugar together
Here.
until light and fluffy. Butter in there,
I'm sugar.
and then you're gonna put some sugar. That's salt. So sugar is right there. We need a half a cup. Do you remember which one's the half a cup? It's the piggy. Okay. Okay, let Daddy fill it first, okay? Fill it all the way up. Hold on, and then you dump it in here. Good job. Good job. All right.
Oh, it's too loud.
It's not too loud.
It's barbecue sauce.
It's not barbecue sauce. That's vanilla. 1 teaspoon. All right, dump it in. Good job. One more. Oh, we spilled a little. That's okay. All right, so that's our vanilla.
Now what else?
Okay. So this,
Kind of like a robot.
yeah, it is kind of like a robot. This is our butter and sugar, so we're going to put this in. Just kind of scrape it out of here. No, don't dip that.
So that's really cozy.
I'm going to put
What
flour.
is
That's butter and sugar.
this? Can you taste the butter?
You could taste a little bit. Probably very sweet. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of flour in there, and then you mix it, okay? Yeah, you can't just eat butter sugar, okay? 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So it's just really a pinch of salt. Okay, so stir. You have to stir.
Like this?
Yep. Very good. Here, want Daddy to do a little bit too? See how I'm stirring?
It's getting in here. Tasty.
I know you're tasting, but that's just literally butter and sugar.
But that's okay, Dad.
That's okay? Just butter and sugar is okay?
Yeah. Mommy? I like butter and sugar.
Butter and sugar?
I need tasting it.
Together.
Mix with your hands, I think. Alright, so now
Mix with my hands.
I want to roll the dough.
Can you mix with hands? Can you mix with my hands?
Sort of crumbly, so I'm going to try and
I don't want
yeah. Still crumbly.
dough. Here's dough. So, here.
Alright, so now
I make to snake.
I'm going to kind of flatten it like this.
I make to snake. What?
Yeah, you did make a snake. Okay.
A little smushy.
A little smushy. Alright, you want Daddy to try too? Okay, now we have our parchment paper. Okay, let Daddy try and roll a little bit too, okay?
I want to watch.
You can roll some more when Daddy. Yeah, those not staying together very well.
Oh, so done.
It's a little crumbly, but I think the shortbread is supposed to be crumbly, so.
I pinched myself a
You pinched yourself a little?
little. Yeah, that's okay.
I'm gonna cut little circles,
Can I too?
and then you can very carefully put the circles on the parchment paper. Very carefully, don't break the circles. Try and put it right here on the paper. That was pretty good. Try not to break it. Try to be very gentle like this. Watch. All right.
Uh-oh, I breaked it.
It's okay.
I breaked it again.
Oh, it's okay. Look, Daddy will fix this one, okay? That's it. It's okay. It's okay when something goes wrong. It's okay. You want to try and do this one? All right. You want to try and do this one? Oh, you want to try and cut one. Okay. You got to do it right here. Push down. Push down really hard. Really hard. And kind of twist it a little. Just like that. Okay, now you can take the cookie very gently with 2 hands so it doesn't break and put it right there. You did good. Look at that. All right, let's try again. Let's do this.
Before everyone eats them.
Yeah, before everyone eats them. That's what happens with cookies, huh? Your mom.
What are you eating?
I just had a little bit of the dough.
Okay, have a little bit of
Mm. This is a dough that you can because there's no eggs in it. And we're gonna set the timer.
One more.
Oh, you can have a little bit more.
Last one. Last one. Last one, please. Last one, please. Last one. This one.
Yep. And we're gonna set our timer for 10 minutes. All right.
More, please. More.
Okay, we're gonna do our frosting. I'm gonna put a cup of the powdered sugar. Okay.
Mama.
Cup of the powdered sugar.
That's flour.
It's powdered sugar.
It was like it was in the frosting.
A little bit of milk in there.
And frosting.
So we're gonna do 1, 2.
Max. Can we mix?
Yep, you can mix. We're gonna do just a splash of almond. Don't stick your fingers in there, okay? Just mix it up. You let Daddy do a quick stir, and then you can finish it, okay? So we're gonna stir, stir, stir. And just a little tiny bit more of milk. Just a little tiny. Okay. Mix it up good. Mix it really good.
Are your rolls full?
I'll show you in a minute. I'm excited. Alright, we're going to clean up a little bit. Alright, let me see if I can mix a little too.
I want to mix.
You were mixing and you did really good.
One more.
You did really good.
One more time.
Yeah.
That smells crazy.
And don't drip it out here. Okay. So the next thing we have to do is away. I'm just going to check on our cookies a little. All right.
Oh, cookies are ready yet.
No, not yet. It takes time. Okay, I'm gonna put this here so our cookies can cool because we can't decorate until they're nice and cool, okay?
Sorry.
Okay, perfect. You did good. I'm gonna set it aside for now. We're gonna wipe our counter off again. Okay. That is called a cooling rack. That's where the cookies cool off.
What's cool? Cool. They will feel burning every day.
This part you have to just watch because Daddy's it's gonna be hot, okay? You're gonna be able to touch them stand back. You're gonna be able to touch them once they're cooled off, okay? But you can't touch them when they're hot. Understand? Do you understand? Yeah? Okay.
Am I standing?
You're understanding. All right, let me take another peek. Yeah, they're coming along.
What do we have to do?
Well, we're gonna first, I'm gonna take them out here and then we're gonna leave them for just.
Daddy, you look best. Daddy, you look best.
Thank you. Okay, now don't touch them yet because they're still hot, okay? them in the wing rack. It's going to cool them so that they can be frosted. And then...
We can talk. They're hot. Like, we hot.
They're very pretty.
We're hot.
They're not ready yet, Mama.
They already in the oven.
Yeah. Is that just 10 minutes?
We're eating.
One little piece fell off. You want it? Okay, now for this part, I want to get the parchment paper again so we don't make a mess, okay?
That's yummy.
A little bit of frosting in there. Alright, and last one. Oops.
I'm sorry.
No, it wasn't your fault.
It was your fault
Yes, it was my fault.
and Mommy's fault.
How was it Mommy's fault? Mommy's not even in here. Put your-
That's Lalo.
It's called food coloring. Yeah,
What is
and maybe
you?
just one little bit of red.
What's
Okay.
red?
We'll put a little red in this one. And we'll put a little, don't touch it,
Really hot.
green.
Green.
And maybe
Where's green?
green's right, yeah. And maybe a little bit of blue.
Green, green. We need
Okay.
green.
Now,
I want green. I want green.
okay, so now I want you to watch Daddy, okay? And then I want you to do this. Do not touch the cookies,
What
okay?
is that?
This is a spoon, and we're going to start with the yellow one, okay? All right, and we're going to do not stir it, because if you stir it, all the colors will stay together. You want to scoop it, just like this, and then we want to just drizzle, 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 drizzle more. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Okay, a little more. On this one. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Drizzle, drizzle. A little more. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. A little more. Okay, you decorate this one and this one, just like that.
Drizzle, 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 drizzle.
Good job. Alright, Daddy's gonna do a little bit of green on this one. Just a little more. Good job. All right, so now we're going to put them in the refrigerator